Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Fix Your English, your place to improve your English every single day. This is part 3 of the story. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2, make sure to watch them first. Now, let's continue. I stepped back slowly. My eyes were fixed on the man. My mind was racing. I needed a plan. I needed to get out. Why can't I leave? I asked. My voice sounded weak. The man did not answer immediately. He just kept smiling. Then he said, "Because the night is not over yet." That sentence made no sense, but it made me even more afraid. I looked around the room again. There had to be another way out. A window, a back door, anything. "I really need to go," I said. "I have work tomorrow." The man took another step closer. "Stay," he repeated. Now his voice sounded different, colder, stronger. I could feel my hands shaking. My heart was beating so loudly I thought he could hear it. Then, suddenly, everything went dark. The light in the room turned off completely. I couldn't see anything. "Hello?" I called out. No answer. "Where are you?" I said louder. Silence. Only silence. Then I heard footsteps, slow, heavy, coming closer. Step, step, step. I moved back quickly. My back hit the wall. I had nowhere to go. My breathing became fast and loud. I closed my eyes for a second. This can't be real, I thought. Then suddenly, light. All the lights turned on at once. The room was bright, very bright. I opened my eyes and I froze. The room? It was completely different. The walls were decorated. There were balloons everywhere, colorful balloons. There were lights, banners, and music. Music? Yes, music started playing loudly. I looked around in confusion. "What is happening?" I whispered. Then suddenly, surprise! People jumped out from behind the walls and doors. I stepped back in shock. It was my friends! All of them! They were laughing, clapping, smiling. Emma ran toward me. "Got you!" she shouted. I couldn't believe it. "What what is this?" I asked. I was still shaking. Then I saw the man again. He was standing near the table, but now he was smiling normally. Not scary, just normal. Emma laughed. "That's my uncle," she said. "He helped us." My mind slowly started to understand. This, this was a joke?" I said. "A surprise," Emma corrected me. "Happy birthday!" Birthday? I froze again. Then I remembered. Today was my birthday. I had completely forgotten. I was so busy with work and university. I looked around again. There was a big cake on the table. Chocolate cake. With candles. My name was written on it. "Make a wish," someone shouted. Everyone was looking at me, smiling, waiting. I walked slowly to the table. My hands were still shaking, but now I was smiling too. I closed my eyes. I made a wish. I wished for more moments like this, more happiness, more surprises, more time with people I love. Then I blew out the candles. Everyone cheered, clapped, laughed. Music got louder. The room felt warm and alive. I looked at Emma. "You scared me," I said. She laughed. "That was the plan." I shook my head and smiled. This is the best surprise ever. That night we talked, laughed, and danced for hours. I forgot about the fear. I forgot about the darkness. All I remembered was happiness. And one important lesson. Sometimes the scariest moments turn into the most beautiful memories. And sometimes the people who scare you are the ones who love you the most. Thank you for listening. Now it's your turn. Repeat the story, practice your English, and speak with confidence.